Traders, I posted this hot list in today. This was June the 26th. This is the Asian session hot list. I posted this just prior to the Asia Open, or right into the Asia Open actually. And you can see some results. I'm just going to run with, when a target's reached, regardless of how far it extends, we'll just go for a 2R. And I mean, you can see every one of these hit their target. Let's have a quick look through. This is posted every day into the hot list channel here, and I accompany this list with a mentorship video. So if we click on that, this is the Asian session mentorship video covering the hot list. There it is. Okay guys, so let's have a look and see. I've marked them up in red. We'll just run from the top down. We'll have a look and see how they turned out. So this one, CAD Swissy, was a sell. So we're only looking for red signals. Okay, here they are, right there. Right, so we go short on the pullback. And the stop loss, see this red spike? We're just looking for the stop loss to go above that. See here? Okay, that's our stop loss level. Above these signals, you'll see. So that's a stop loss there. Okay, CAD Swissy, Euro CAD. Euro CAD was a buy, a bullish opportunity. We're looking for these signals to go off here. Now, admittedly, we didn't get this one. By the way, you can see some red signals down here. We don't touch them in a green bullish environment. We're only looking for the green signals. See, the background of the chart is green, so we ignore any red signals. Euro dollar was a buy opportunity. Trend is green. We've got the green shaded zone behind us. This was the trade today. By the way, I didn't trade these. I actually had some stuff to do with my daughter, and I didn't get much of an opportunity to get involved. I did take a couple of trades, and we'll have a look at those. Pound CAD was a buy opportunity. Just after this orange line here, we're looking for the signals to kick in right there. Pound dollar, same thing. After this orange line, we're looking for these two signals here especially. That's quite a strong signal there. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Just go for a 2R. We're looking for the stop loss. Okay, see the little green zone here? Just there. Or even a little bit wider if you like. You can see this green shade. That's a stop loss level. Yeah, or you can place it in the cloud here. So the cloud at this point was about there. No, maybe you had a wider stop, 2.3R. Yeah, just going for a 2R target. But Kiwi CAD signal kicked off here, right there, and Kiwi dollar. Now you can see these are pretty good signals. There's the alert right there, two of them. All right, you can run with that. So if you run with this strategy. For example, well, this one here, the stop was the stop was right actually. So we're looking for the stop loss. If that's your entry point, the stop loss is going to go at the base of this green here, there, like so. And I've shown everybody how this is set up in the mentorship videos. And then I actually opened a trade with the dollar Swissy, and the stop loss was taken out, and it was closed here at break even. I missed a few trades this week with I was pulling my stop loss to break even, and a few of them got taken out. But what I'm really wanting is to minimize risk. And, for example, with this trade here, I mean, quite a few of these, you get the opportunity very quickly after you enter the trade. Like this is the signal here, these two together. That's a really strong signal. Once it gains a little bit of momentum, stop loss to break even, and you can see in this instance that price didn't come back and touch it, and then what you can do there is you can definitely extend your go for 3R by default if you want to. Keep your stops tight, and that would be a really nice outcome. So anyway, I missed out on this one. It would have been sitting at 1R by now, and I actually opened a gold trade, but same thing happened. This wasn't on the watch list. I was just watching this. I noticed that most of this was bearish over here, and I thought that we could see it continue down. So I was looking for a red signal. that was the red signal. Actually, no, I took it. This one, no, that's not the red signal at all. Sorry, my trade was here. Let me just go down to a 5-minute chart. Bear with me for a sec. Yeah, I was on the 5-minute. I took this on the 5-minute thinking, okay, we might see it continue, but it didn't. Anyway, I pulled my stop loss to break even after we gained a little bit of ground again, preserving capital, guys, just looking after the account, and it came back and took it out. So, I just ended up letting it go. But yeah, this was not on the watch list at all. Okay, so just let that one go. All right, but we've got another watch list for the London into the New York session. That's already been posted into Discord. Scroll down and you'll see it. Okay, guys, we are absolutely killing it with these signals. What I've come up with is a strategy and the indicators, the alerts, as a result of the volatility that we've seen in the markets, and especially lately with all the geopolitical stuff going on, the tariff wars, and the markets pump and dump regularly, and it's been a really challenging time. But I'm really pleased to say that what we have here is absolutely smashing it. I mean, if we go back, look at these results. Okay, I've made videos about every one of these. In fact, you can have a look at the videos in this channel here. Yeah. Okay, I'm just posting the daily results. So if you stick to the strategy that I show you in the mentorship videos, I mean, you just saw what we were doing, in this video. All right, that's the hot list, and then that's the results. But as I'm posting the hot list, I'm also uploading a mentorship video covering these ideas and how to get involved. So guys, if you're wanting to get involved with a trading system, a strategy that has incredible potential, take the 7-day free trial. On my website, anthonybourne.com, you can see the free trial link. Now, I've just changed this. It's a PayPal button. You don't get billed initially. It just sets up a subscription that kicks in after the 7 days. And you have the option to, if you think this is not for you, you can opt out at any time. You just log into your PayPal account and you can manage it. Or you can contact me and I'll help you. But yeah, I can't imagine anybody not wanting this. Once you experience how powerful this system is during the 7 days, that's going to well and truly cover that's for sure. And this will be going up in the very near future. So, you could lock in $29.95. That's just shouting me the sushi train once a month, guys. And you have extraordinary value, as you can see. Not with this one. That's something that I was messing around with. But, yeah, with the signals that are going in each day. And here's another example, too, of it rallied a bit of a pullback. And if you're still in this at that point, then you can... this one, the stop loss, this is a trade I took. My stop loss actually got taken out. There it is. Right, but you can re-enter. Okay, re-enter on the next signal, which was directly above there, and go for broke. Go for a 3-hour target. That was easily achieved. You got levels on here to aim for. Anyway, guys, I will wrap it up at that. That's the Asian session results, 26th of June, 2025. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in VIP.